In this short video, I'm going to show you how to remove a URL inside your Google Search Console account. In this case, we have this unrelated content on this website that we need to delete. So what we're going to do is copy the URL and head back over to Google Search Console. Inside the Google Search Console, you will select the correct property under your account and then click on Temporary Removals. And here you can add a new request. In this case, we are only removing this particular piece of content, and we will only select Remove this URL only and hit Next and hit Submit Request. Now, anytime when you are removing URLs away from the Google index, because it can affect rankings based on how many other internal links you have to that page. If you have a lot of links going into that one URL, but you want to repurpose that content, you can simply do a 301 redirect as long as the content isn't significantly different. And you can watch this video right here that goes over how to set up a 301 redirect inside the Google Search Console.